common theme in this country when things aren't going right for someone politically to just quickly blame the president. However, I think it's important to remember that the United States government is a lot more than just a president, and we actually have 3 distinct branches of government with unique and equal powers to each other. My name is Kelsey Christian. I am a political science student here at SCSU, and like you, I am an American citizen who is impacted by the actions of each of these 3 branches. Ultimately, these branches of government will impact your lives, so it is advantageous for us to understand the roles each of them have. Today we're going to talk about these roles, and we're also going to talk about the powers each of these branches have over the other ones. These branches include the legislative branch, the executive branch, and the judicial branch. We're going to start with the legislative branch. The legislative branch is tasked with making the laws. Currently on the White House official website, they state, established by Article 1 of the Constitution, the legislative branch consists of the House of Representatives and the Senate, which together form the U.S. Congress. Our Congress is broken up into a bicameral legislature, meaning there's 2 separate houses. The first house is the House of Representatives, which is represented by 435 members, which are proportionally represented by population in the country. The Senate, on the other hand, is 100 members, 2 from each state. The legislative branch has checks over both the judicial and the executive branch, so let's talk about the executive first. The legislative branch can override a presidential veto, they can confirm executive appointments, and they can ratify treaties, and they can impeach a president. Over the judicial branch, they can confirm appointed justices, establish lower courts, and impeach or remove judges that they deem unfit. We're going to switch over to the executive now. The executive branch is tasked with enforcing the law. According to USA.gov in 2017, the president, vice president, the cabinet, the executive department, independent agencies, and other boards, commissions, and committees make up the executive branch. They also have checks over the other 2 branches. So over the legislative branch, the executive branch can propose laws, veto laws, call special sessions like the State of the Union, and they can negotiate treaties as well. Over the judicial branch, the executive branch can appoint federal judges, and they can also give pardons. We're going to switch over now to the judicial branch. The judicial branch is tasked with interpreting the laws. According to the House of Reps website currently, the judicial branch consists of the U.S. Supreme Court and the Federal Judicial Center. The judicial branch has a really specific check over each of the 2 other branches. So over the legislative branch, the judicial branch can declare laws unconstitutional. Likewise, over the executive branch, the judicial branch can declare executive actions unconstitutional. To wrap things up, now you know a little bit more about the 3 branches of government. You can be a little more informed about what our government does and where each of decisions and actions are being made. With this information, you can see the importance and the differences of each branch of government, which each branch of government has. Thus, I hope you understand how important it is not only to vote for a president to change your country, but to vote for a House member and to pay attention to judicial nominations. Thank you.